Hey. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
What's up?
So we lost our phone. Did you find it?
Yeah, it was in the middle of the road, and I jumped out of my truck to get it. What happened?
Oh yeah, I guess we like dropped it. Somebody answered it.
I know. So, what you want to do? I'm just getting off work right now. I'm just now getting off at work. Yeah, I'm about to go to Who Hots. Are you guys close to Who Hots?
Where is that at?
The Battlefield Mall.
Our car is open. We're we're on Flintstone and Cherry.
Damn.
Yeah, our car is over here right now, so I think we'll probably be able to make it over there.
Yeah, I'm just not getting off work. About to go eat with some guys. Here, take my phone number down, and if we don't meet up tonight, we can try some other time.
What is it?
417 380 8862.
And then 380 and then what?
What's up?
380 then what?
8862.
Alright.
And go ahead and
So whereabouts did you find it?
it was on Kansas, and I think it's Walnut right there by the bridge. Yeah, I'm in my box truck, and we were at the light, and I saw it, so I parked it and jumped down and got it. I'm surprised it didn't get run over and smashed. If you want to call me right now, so I can save your number on my phone, because I have a thing that doesn't answer, like phone numbers it doesn't recognize. And yeah, just give me a call on that number, and let me save your contact.
Yeah.
Okay. On their phone in the road.